Hey everybody, it's Chris on day 30 of my Lean Hybrid Muscle Challenge. It's a little cold here in the gym, so today we are going to do some heavy upper body lifts. We're going to do some strict presses and barbell curls. We're going to work a little bit more of the triceps with the close grip bench. I can't wait to do some deadlifts, and we'll follow that up with some ab work. But I'll tell you, I don't know if I said this on my last video, but I set a goal for myself back the beginning of this program 30 days ago today. And I wanted to get down to about 235. I wanted to drop my body fat percentage down. And in 30 days, I went from 253 to 237 right now. So I'm pretty much at the goal that I set for my 90 days. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to see if I can't drop another 10 to 15 pounds and rock out the muscular physique for a change. I still obviously have a lot more to go. So if I can get down between 215 and 225, I'll be ecstatic. I haven't weighed that much since I think I was a junior in high school. So I'm going to continue to push hard. And again, I just want to say thank you, Elliot and Mike, for the encouragement. Thanks for such a great product. Why don't you guys stick around, watch the workout, and drop me a message down below. Thanks.